Winter brings beautiful snow and cozy nights, but it also carries a significant risk for your home: frozen pipes. When water inside your pipes freezes, it expands, creating immense pressure that can cause the pipe to burst. This leads to extensive water damage, costly repairs, and a major headache for homeowners. Understanding how to prevent this common winter disaster is crucial for protecting your property. A little preparation now can save you thousands of dollars and a lot of stress later. Let's walk through the practical steps you can take to safeguard your plumbing system. Not all pipes are equally susceptible to freezing. Pipes located in unheated areas of your home are at the highest risk. This includes basements, crawl spaces, attics, garages, and even pipes running through exterior walls. Any pipe exposed to cold air, especially those near drafts or poorly insulated areas, is a prime candidate for freezing. Identifying these vulnerable spots is the first step in effective prevention. Pay close attention to plumbing on the north side of your house, which receives less direct sunlight. Insulating pipes in unheated areas is a primary defense. Use foam pipe insulation sleeves, readily available at hardware stores, to wrap exposed pipes. This simple barrier helps maintain the water's temperature above freezing. During severe cold snaps, open cabinet doors under sinks on exterior walls. This allows warmer indoor air to circulate around the pipes, preventing them from reaching freezing temperatures. Keep your thermostat set to at least 55 degrees Fahrenheit, even if you're away from home, to maintain a consistent ambient temperature. Outdoor faucets and sprinkler systems are particularly vulnerable. Before the first hard freeze, disconnect all garden hoses from outdoor spigots. Drain any remaining water from the hoses and store them away. For outdoor faucets, locate the shutoff valve inside your home and turn off the water supply to these spigots. Then, open the outdoor faucet to drain any residual water. If you have an irrigation system, follow the manufacturer's instructions for winterizing, which usually involves blowing out the lines. When temperatures plummet below freezing, a slow drip from your faucets can be a lifesaver. Allowing a small trickle of water to flow through both hot and cold lines helps relieve pressure in the pipes and prevents water from completely freezing. This continuous movement makes it harder for ice to form. Ensure your home's heating system is functioning correctly and set to a consistent temperature. Avoid drastic temperature drops, especially overnight or when you're away. Even a few degrees can make a difference in preventing pipes from freezing. If you suspect a pipe has frozen, the first step is to locate the affected section. Look for areas with no water flow or visible frost on the pipe. Do not use an open flame to thaw a pipe, as this is extremely dangerous and can cause a fire. Instead, apply gentle heat using a hairdryer, a heat lamp, or towels soaked in hot water. Start thawing the pipe closest to the faucet and work your way back. As the pipe thaws, water should begin to flow again. Beyond immediate actions, consider long-term solutions for enhanced protection. Improve insulation in your attic, basement, and crawl spaces to better regulate temperatures. Seal any cracks or openings in exterior walls and foundations that allow cold air to penetrate. For persistently problematic areas, consider installing electric heat cables or heat tape directly onto pipes. These devices provide continuous low-level heat to prevent freezing. Consult with a professional plumber for complex installations or if you have recurring issues. Preventing frozen pipes is an essential part of winter home maintenance. By taking these proactive steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of costly damage and ensure your plumbing system remains functional throughout the coldest months. A little effort now provides immense peace of mind later.